John, Stephanie, and their daughter Haley live in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Recently, they went away to cheer Haley on at her state finals gymnastics meet. They were only gone a few days, but when they returned home, their entire kitchen was flooded.
We walked into just water pouring down the stairs everywhere. It was crazy.
It was really a total disaster. What had happened was there was a leak in the bathroom toilet. And for 3 whole days while we were gone, nothing but water was coming out and totally drenching our floor.
The water damage was so severe, they had to replace their entire kitchen.
I walked in and water was everywhere. I had to replace the drywall down here. The ceiling was cut down. It looked like a V because water was just pushing from the next level up. It was actually pouring from the light fixtures.
All of our cabinets were destroyed and the dollar signs just started ticking. And at the end of the day, we had to replace our entire kitchen. We had to replace, and get contractors in here to address the damage that happened to the drywall. Fans were blowing all over the house. In the midst of all of this, we didn't want to live in this construction, so we had to live in a hotel. It was really probably the worst possible outcome that we could ever imagine that was totally unexpected.
The good news is our insurance covered the damages as well as our hotel stay. We had to stay in a hotel for 6 weeks. It's something you would never be in this situation, but it happened to us.
So while this was all very devastating and was a life-changing event for us, there was a silver lining.
My mom said she likes the water much better in the pool than our kitchen.
After spending a fortune, they knew something had to change.
Flo by Moen was recommended by our plumber, and it's a solution that I am so thankful for.
So, John and Stephanie decided to have Flo by Moen installed in their home.
Flo by Moen is a water monitoring and control device for the home. One device installs on the main water supply line to the home, learns the habits of how water is used in that home, so it can notify you if there's ever a problem with your water, teach you about how you're using your water usage, and in the event that something catastrophic happens, it'll automatically shut off the water for the homeowner, thereby preventing the water damage. The biggest use and the most often use is that we help prevent what's the leading cause of preventable homeowners insurance claims every year. The Flo by Moen smartphone application is really your control center to the system.
The app is amazing. Actually, I never even realized how much water I was using. I looked at it and I'd used 650 gallons of water in one day.
So installation of the product should be done by a plumbing professional. You need to cut into the main water supply line of the home. We have a nationwide network of plumbers that we recommend that can do the installation, so we're happy to help coordinate installations for our customers as well.
In about an hour, their home was protected.
I can't believe something so simple could deliver the peace of mind that I was looking for.
That's what our system is all about, and it really does pay for itself.
After installing Flo by Moen, we saw a dramatic decrease in our homeowners insurance that we're extremely happy about. Now we are truly tracking something that we were never concerned about before.